One of the biggest challenges that advisors face before joining Cadence is the lack of a community and resources. A lot of advisors say they feel like they were on an island doing everything on their own. The travel industry is so wonderful with relationships, but the day-to-day can be lonely. What advisors say is they want somewhere where they can run their business the way that they want to run their business, while also having people around them who understand their vision, their dreams, and have resources.
I was looking for an agency that was more about people first and meeting those goals and not about serving themselves. And I would say that Cadence is just that. I wanted boutique, I wanted personal, I wanted relationships, and I wanted people who cared about me and my business, not about their bottom line and their name. The whole community behind Cadence gets behind their advisors, even starting with Wendy at the very, very top. You get a good review on Virtuoso, and there's an email in your inbox from Wendy congratulating you.
Connecting and having FaceTime, especially in a world where our offices are so empty most of the time. There is a sense of belonging, and there's a sense of community and care. The thing I'm most proud of is the care and connection that each person brings to the table and shares that this is their favorite conference, and we're going to keep trailblazing on how to make it different so that we can continue to grow and evolve in a way that is the Cadence way.